Alright, what's up guys? We're on the famous Fairfax Street right now, Fashion District. And right behind me is Canters. Supposedly, they're an LA staple and they should have some pretty good pastrami. So let's check it out. Alright guys, we're about to pull up with the Fairfax expert right here, Melvin.
Fairfax native out here, you know.
He's always here, making the shoe deals because he's a hype beast.
Buying, selling shoes, going to Supreme, you know what it is.
Yep,
that's what there is to do in this block.
Yep, but everything is closed right now because COVID season, you see?
We're gonna get some good bakery goods, you know, pastries, good sandwiches, some pastrami, you know the deal.
Alright,
Yo, that cheesecake's calling my name right now.
Melvin.
It looks crazy right now.
The baker. So we came here for takeout because we thought they were closed for COVID, but to our pleasant surprise, their dining room is actually open. This is the first time we dined in somewhere in LA, so as you guys can see, there's a lot of empty space here, but there's actually two couples right there and right here. But the new rule of thumb nowadays during COVID is you guys have to sit a whole table apart. It's like the wait is supposed to be really long. As you can imagine, if the restaurant's busy, they can only see half the capacity. So yeah, post-COVID tip 101 right there is be prepared to wait. As you can see, the waiters are also wearing double layered masks. So that's another thing. This is how it is with COVID, with the mask?
Yeah, that's protection at its finest.
Protection at its finest.
Make sure you practice safety.
Yep.
And strap up.
We got the Canters Fairfax. It's supposed to be their most popular item. Of course, Canters, the name of this place, and Fairfax is it's on. And yeah, this place is known for their pastrami, so that's the must get here, guys. So yeah, what's in the Canters Fairfax is hot corned beef and pastrami. That sounds like a lot of meat, guys. Pause. And and it's extra stacked high on rye. So yeah, really excited. That's what our waiter Jorge recommended to us, and it's also highlighted on the recommended. So yeah, guys, really excited for you guys to be here with me in my first dine-in experience in LA after COVID. So yeah, it's actually, what time is it right now? It's 10:21. They close in 30 minutes, so that should be enough time for us to scarf down a sandwich, right? Yep. It's more than enough time for Melvin.
All we needed was like 2 minutes, you know? So this is gonna be good.
2 minutes in the restaurant and 2 minutes in the bedroom. That's all you need.
How'd you know that? Two crooks. You'll see two stomachs in the next video. You guys see that right here? You guys see that?
Yeah, we see it.
You know you're in the real deal when you get like some fresh pickles. That's a deli staple right there. If you're eating at a good deli, they're gonna give you some nice pickles, you know. So.
Yep. Especially if you're eating pastrami.
It goes hand in hand. Yeah, let's see that crunch factor, you know? We're gonna see that crunch factor.
Yeah, crunch. Is it crunchy?
Hmm?
Is it better than my pickle?
No. Out too much. But yeah, really good.
Our first taste test. You ready?
It's that moment of truth right
Look
there.
how thick this sandwich is. I mean, it better be thick. It's almost 20 bucks. So.
Alright, it's that moment of truth right there, bro.
Alright, moment of truth right here. I guess this is rye bread. I'm gonna take this little thing off. And we're gonna take our first bite. Let's do it. Wow.
Oh, yo, don't forget what he gave us right here. This little mustard. Some deli mustard.
DJ Mustard on the beat.
You know, so
I'll try a little bit of mustard on here.
that's gonna really help with that.
I'll try it.
And then take a bite of that pickle while you're at it.
See.
So a true deli boy eats it.
Pickle is nice and cold. Not too sour.
How's that crunch?
It's really crunchy, actually.
That's key to a good pickle.
There's some light salt in it. See if you can hear that crunch. But guys, this pastrami sandwich is packed. Look at this. And the meat is actually pretty juicy. And half corned beef, half pastrami. So the corned beef really gives it that salty taste to it. And then the pastrami is nice and juicy. One thing I will say is that this bread, the rye bread, is it's pretty thin. I'd expect it to be a bit thicker. But yeah, I'll take another bite. You definitely get your protein in this dish though. It's really packed with meat. And I really like that. See the meat?
Yeah, I saw it. It's falling apart.
It's really juicy.
That's how big it is.
It's really juicy and it has a nice smoke taste to it. It's not too peppered, which is how I like it. And it's not too salty either. Nice and juicy. And the rye bread just soaks up the juiciness of the meat. Yeah, guys, not too bad for a piece. I will say though, the bread is actually pretty dry. It's not as moist as I expected. But yeah, other than that, the meat is pretty fire. But guys, let's try the potato salad. Wow. The potato salad is actually pretty bomb. There's a nice hint of sweetness. It's nice and cold. And big chunks of potato. And it's not too smothered in sauce either. Yum. This is carnage right here.
Hey, was this restaurant, any damage happened from the riot?
No,
It's safe.
no, it didn't happen nothing on the right because
They boarded it up?
no, we saw them and we gave them waters and
Oh, really?
and when they got wounded by the by the
Police?
when they start shooting the gas, the paper gas,
Yeah.
they come here to
Get some water.
to wipe out.
Wipe out.
Wash out.
Like giving milk? You're giving milk and all
We
that?
we was washing them with milk and
Oh my gosh.
they're wounded, they come in and then they walk out and to do it again and
Yeah. Okay.
that was the game they was playing all night long.
That's
Okay.
nice.
Alright. That's nice of you guys.
Until one sergeant from the police find out that there was people walking in
Yeah.
to do that and
You guys
they
told you to stop?
decided to lock the doors.
Oh.
Damn.
Damn. That's crazy. It's a pretty solid meal, like Melvin said.
It's a very nostalgic vibe.
Yeah, I can see why people like it. It's like a nice, classic diner.
You get good service here too, I feel like.
Yeah.
Our waiter was actually a really nice guy.
It's like a nice, nostalgic mom and pop shop, like Melvin was saying.
It's a OG staple in its own way, I would say.
OG staple.
OG staple, classic. I
Yep.
don't know. I don't know what way to say any more way to say it.
Yep, and it's right on Fairfax. Also, the deli, the takeout is 24 hours, so you count on them to be open when you're hungry in the middle of the night.
Oh boy, 3 a.m.
Overall, I think Melvin asked me why I gave the sandwich, and I give it an 8 out of 10. The meat was really juicy. It looked promising even before I ate it. Meat was well seasoned, but the rye bread, I have to give it a thumbs down. It wasn't as moist. But other than that, it's pretty good. And here comes the sirens. So I guess that's it for us. So if you like this video, like it. Comment down below what we should try next, but I have an idea. We should pit this up against Langer's or the other one, Johnny's Pastrami on Culver City. And yeah, stay tuned to see those videos and subscribe for more food vlogs. Deuces.
Oh, deuces, guys.
Or unless